In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or change your Payhip URL link, a task you can complete in just 5 minutes. Changing your Payhip URL is a useful way to personalize your online store and ensure it aligns better with your brand or personal preferences. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you need to log into your Payhip account. Make sure you have your credentials handy as you'll need them to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in and inside your account, head over to the next step. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Account section. You'll find this typically at the top or side navigation bar depending on Payhip's latest interface updates. Within the Account section, you'll want to select Store Settings. This is where you can manage various settings related to your online store. Next, once you're in the store settings, look for the store URL section. This is crucial because the store URL is how your customers find your shop online. In this section, you will see the current URL, which is the link that directs to your store. If you've never changed it before, it might consist of a default name or initial setup when you first opened your account. Now you're ready to update. Click in the field where your current URL is displayed and edit the URL name to your desired one. Consider choosing a URL that is memorable and resonates with your audience or product offerings. Remember, keeping it simple yet descriptive will help your customers find you more easily. Once you have entered the new URL, it's a good idea to double-check your spelling and format to ensure accuracy. This URL will be visible to your customers, so you want it to be perfect. Also, be aware that changing your store URL can impact previous links that you might have shared elsewhere, so you may want to update those links as well. Lastly, after confirming that everything looks good, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This will update your Payhip URL to the new one you've just entered. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your Payhip URL. Remember, it's always a great practice to test your new URL by accessing it in a new browser tab or through a different device to ensure it's working correctly. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on adjusting your Payhip URL link. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to enhance your online business presence.